Shiva, the next feline astronomer. What do they call that? The astronomer royal. What's that, Shiva? Hey? Oh, look out. Just keep your paws off that screen, so help me God. You'll have your guts for garters, Shiva. Make you into a purse. She loves TV. Uh-oh. Fuck. Commercial. That's no good. Oh. Let's skip that. Yeah. Yeah, you love your TV. I tell you, you're like a kid. Space Kitty. Oh, that's enough, eh? Bored?